Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about cars and engines, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a hot topic among car enthusiasts and mechanics alike: NGK versus Bosch spark plugs. Which one is the best choice for your engine? Stick around to find out. Spark plugs are small but mighty components that play a critical role in your engine's performance. They ignite the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber, powering your vehicle forward. Choosing the right spark plug can mean the difference between peak performance and constant headaches. So, let's break down NGK and Bosch spark plugs to see which one suits your ride. First, let's talk about the brands themselves. NGK, a Japanese company founded in 1936, is renowned for its high-quality spark plugs and ignition parts. NGK is often the go-to choice for Japanese and Asian car manufacturers. Bosch, on the other hand, is a German engineering giant with a history dating back to 1886. Bosch is synonymous with cutting-edge technology and is widely used in European vehicles. Both companies have earned their reputation through decades of innovation and performance. But how do their spark plugs actually compare? Let's dive into the details. Performance is key when choosing a spark plug. NGK spark plugs are known for their reliability and consistent ignition. They use advanced materials like iridium and platinum, offering exceptional durability and efficient combustion. NGK's design focuses on minimizing fouling and maximizing performance. Bosch, on the other hand, brings German engineering to the table with innovations like the Double Platinum and Platinum Plus 4 spark plugs. These designs enhance spark efficiency and provide a more powerful ignition, especially in European cars. Bosch spark plugs often feature a fine wire design that improves fuel efficiency and engine responsiveness. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, both brands deliver. NGK leans towards reliability and longevity, while Bosch emphasizes advanced ignition technology. Now, let's talk about materials. NGK offers copper, platinum, and iridium spark plugs. Copper is affordable but has a shorter lifespan, while platinum and iridium plugs last longer and perform better under high-stress conditions. Bosch also uses platinum and iridium but adds innovative designs like the surface air gap and multi-ground electrodes, improving durability and ignition efficiency. Bosch plugs tend to excel in European cars that demand high precision. In terms of durability, both brands offer long-lasting options, but NGK's iridium plugs are especially favored for performance and longevity. Bosch's advanced designs give it an edge in fuel economy and smooth engine operation. Fitment is crucial. NGK is widely recommended for Japanese and Asian vehicles. Brands like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Subaru often use NGK plugs as original equipment. This makes NGK a seamless fit for these cars. Bosch, on the other hand, is often the OEM supplier for German and European brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. If you drive a European car, Bosch might be the better fit. However, always check your car manufacturer's specifications to ensure proper fit and performance. Price is another important factor. NGK spark plugs, especially the Iridium models, can be pricier but offer exceptional longevity and performance. Bosch plugs are competitively priced and often deliver great value, particularly for European cars. For budget-conscious drivers, NGK's copper plugs are affordable but require more frequent replacements. Bosch offers good mid-range options that balance performance and cost. When comparing NGK and Bosch spark plugs, NGK stands out for its excellent reliability, consistent performance, and long lifespan, especially with iridium and platinum models, making it ideal for Japanese and Asian vehicles. However, NGK's premium models can be expensive and may not be perfectly optimized for European engines. Bosch spark plugs excel with advanced ignition technology, delivering efficient performance and being a perfect match for European cars. They also offer competitive pricing, though some users report fitment issues with non-European cars and performance variability in high-performance engines. So, which spark plug is right for your engine? If you own a Japanese or Asian vehicle and prioritize reliability, NGK is likely your best bet. For European cars and drivers who value cutting-edge technology, Bosch is the way to go. At the end of the day, the best spark plug depends on your vehicle's needs and your driving habits. Always consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic to make the best choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Have any questions or personal experiences with NGK or Bosch spark plugs? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.